In this video, we'll create the controller wire, but first, let's arrange the controller and the plug mesh. Select the controller mesh and press G to move, Z to lock axis, type 8.5 and enter to confirm. Press R to rotate, X to lock axis, type 6.5 and enter to confirm. This will align the controller mesh with the floor plane. Select the plug mesh and press G to move, X to lock axis, type 100 and enter to confirm. G to move, Z to lock axis, type 7.5 and enter to confirm. R to rotate, X to lock axis, type 93 and enter to confirm. Press numpad 7 to top view and R to rotate, Z to lock axis, type -45 and enter to confirm. Press Shift+A, go to curve and add a point. This is only available with the extra curve objects. On the toolbar, select the draw tool and draw the shape you want for the cable. Go to Object Data Properties, set shape to 3D and fill mode to full. If you leave on 2D, the curve will be stuck on Z-axis. Select the controller mesh, go to Edit mode and select the wire hole edge loop. Press Shift+S, select Cursor to Selected and exit Edit mode. Select the curve object, go to Edit mode, select this vertex, press Shift+S and Selection to Cursor. This will move this vertex to the center of the wire hole. Press numpad 3 to go to left view and rotate the vertex to make it smoother. Go to top view, press S to scale, X to lock axis, type 0 and enter to confirm. Select the plug mesh, go to Edit mode, select the wire hole edge loop, Shift+S, Cursor to Selected and exit Edit mode. Select the curve object, tap to Edit mode, select this curve vertex, press Shift+S, Selection to Cursor and rotate the vertex to make it smoother. Here, I'm just making sure I'm satisfied with the curve shape. When you finish this process, go to Geometry, Bevel and change depth to 2.5 mm to set the wire mesh radius. If your curve has intersection points like mine, move one of them up by 5 mm, which is 2 times the radius we set before. Select the vertex, press G to move, Z to lock axis, type 5 and enter to confirm. At this point, it's just personal taste. Here I'm just making the curve as smooth as I can, but you can do whatever you prefer in this part. This part here, I don't think is really necessary, but I did it anyway. So if you want to do it too, just select the vertices and extrude them inside the controller and the plug mesh. One thing I forgot to do here is to move all vertices that are touching the floor plane, so it's better to do it now, because it's easier. I had to do it after I converted the mesh using proportional editing. Just select all vertices that are on the floor plane and move them up by 2.5 mm, which is the wire radius. When you're satisfied with the result, exit Edit mode and with the curve object selected, right mouse click, Convert to and select Mesh. This will convert the curve object to a mesh object. Now select the plug, the wire and the controller last and press Ctrl+J to join them. Go to Edit mode, A to select all, Shift+N to recalculate normals and exit Edit mode. And with that, we finished the 6th part of a Super NES controller modeling course. The next video will be part 7, the UV Unwrap. If you're still here, it means you were liking the content of this course. This took me a lot of time and planning to make it. So please, consider subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. It's fast, simple, and most important, it's free. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.